Okay guys, this is Ivy's Coupon Camp. I am going in Walmart to do a Black Friday ad walkthrough for Friday in store that start at 5 a.m. That's what I'm going to do. So this video will release in time for you to see it and go do the Black Friday ad. So we're going to do a walkthrough. So bear with me. I know.
Thank you.
Look guys, they got comforters that's $35. They don't start till Friday. They the comforter sets. They all on here. And then let me see. Look guys, $5. Here it is. This is event number 3. They $5 and they these. Baby, they got every single color. That's why supplies last. Ooh, we got it going on for oh yeah. Hey y'all, I am actually running into all of the big the in-store thing. The T-Files is $6.75 for the Rubbermaid. If you get the one with the 24 count, you could use you could go to Ibotta and get $2.50 back. The Mr. Potato Heads are $5. Hold on.
The man and the girl.
Oh, yep, it's the lady. And then the husband is in here. He over there. Mother, watch my purse. $5. Yeah, a slide. Here's the slides, y'all. They $29. I want to just get them up in here. Okay, guys, so we are literally going down the aisles in Walmart, and this is the day before Thanksgiving, and they are literally putting out all of the events for Friday. Okay. I know, love that. Okay, so look here, Mother, let's go this way. Let's go that way, then we go back around and hit that middle, that front again. Okay. But I know they like, Lord, these people crazy. Oh look, it's called a Kitchen Buddy. Okay guys, this is called the Kitchen Buddy. Oh, you stand on it? No, I don't want my kids standing on nothing in my house.
I thought it was pushed on.
Yeah, that ain't no. This is $118 for the heart, and it say while supplies last, so it'll be supplies last. The hangers are $1.17, so you can grab hangers. Okay, the cannons right here. Look, $44. This all released on Friday.
What is this?
The ink is $17. That go to it. The pop locks are $5, but I heard they supposed to be like $3 on Black Friday. So, and look, they done got all they emptying out quick. Here's the Razer Mobile gaming bundle for the from iPhone. It's made for iPhone. Isaiah got. Okay, they don't even have. That's just the thing that hold it on his head. The headset ain't here yet, so hopefully they'll have one. No PS5s, guys. They not even selling them on Black Friday unless you ordered them already. Okay, besides the stuff in the newspaper, guys, they got boxes and boxes of stuff they setting up in the hallway. So let's go and look. This is event number 3. What is this? Oh, that's the Office Jet printer. The batteries is $7. These are Energizers and Duracells, so be careful. The old ends, what's this? How many inches? 32 inch. They're $108. I showed you all how those look, so buy them at your own. Okay guys, these the Google Chromecast, and guess how much they are? $29.98. They $29.98. Here's the Canons, $44. And then this is the TCL, and it's a 32 inch, and they are $118. Some Vizios, crystals. What's this? This is the anchor hockey. The anchors are the crystal UDH Series 7 65 inch guy, and this is $498. I did see this as Best Buy. It is beautiful. The only thing the guy said, it don't last long. Okay, the anchor, this is another event. The anchor hocking is $20. These are glass stocking wear, all the baking stuff. Okay, here the ladies two-piece pajama sets, they $10. Let me see. We can't pull them out.
No.
We can't pull them out, guys. We don't want to because they got all their events stacked up. And here, the more two-piece event, they got events. See, this event
These
number
is-
3. The ladies' cuff sleep pants, they $5.
Oh, girl, I gotta come in and get these.
And
I
then,
got no baby.
okay, if you look in the book, the girls' underwear, they $5. And here they are. And then the 5-pack of boys' briefs. And those guys, they like got it really tight. They go to shoes, guys.
Y'all gonna be
Those $8. These the $10 boxer briefs for men. These is briefs though. And the jeans for the boys, they $9. $5 girl socks right here. Guys, y'all gotta understand it look like this because you literally looking through plastic. I don't want to bust no hole in it or nothing because these guys is working hard putting this stuff out today. So I just want to be diligent. I want to really show you guys. See, those are socks, but they're gonna be $5. So some of them are out. Oh look, a baby walker, $13. Baby walkers. Wow, I remember those things used to be like 50 and 60 bucks. And look at, that's a Graco car seat. It's $199. That's expensive to me. These the cat and dog things. My cats love these now. And my cats love these things. Hey y'all, they just got the tissue stacked up like Walmart ain't playing. There goes Barack Obama book, The Promised Land. I wonder if it's gonna be on sale. Corral is back, guys. Remember it ran out for a long time. $3.94 is back. What's these? Those electronic wipes. I'm gonna be looking for the phone things. Okay, here's the dashboard camera. The Happy Nappers, $39. Okay, so we started here, guys, but we kind of got through also. While my sidekick is gone, I'm gonna go through a little of this. So these is the $35 comforters, and this is how they look. They come in all these different looks. I think that one is pretty. Then they got a roasting foam, roasting pot set, and it's $8.49. Super cool mattress topper. And let me see how much. Okay, look in the book because all of this is the event stuff. So all of this is in the book. Then they got the Crayola stuff. What's this? VisitWalmart.com. All of the Crayola stuff right here where I usually grab my kids some. These are good Christmas gifts to grab. They have the garbage cans, the stepped cans. That's $25. I think I'm gonna get one of those. It's the oval shape. Oh, the Click and Color marker set maker. Look at that. It's $19. Discovery. The Discovery is $12.97. The wooden tabletop easel, $19. $9.97 for the ABC beads, the light up diary, water bottle maker, nail art maker. $16.88 for the Crayola creative gifts. Those are all in paint art stations, light up boards. All of that is $34 for the tray table set. See those? TV stand. This $29 for the Ready Set Done vacuum cleaner, a compact quick clean. $47 for the quartz of the heater, the quartz heater. $109 for the Better Home and Gardens. Okay, this is a built-in LED, never change. A LED shop light. My husband need one of those, and they $21. Got all of the machine, the tool sets. These is $148, and that is electric drills, combo kits, knives, all of those. Okay, these are $19 for the Sherpa blankets. They got all the colors. Yep. You know, all the mainstays are on sale. We're gonna have a pack of towels for $1.47. Guys, they are severe. They are unpacking like desperate. And it's a little guy in here that he just took to my mother and started talking to him. He said, we got tons of stuff we didn't even know we was getting. Better Home and Garden, $14.92. Mansfield Super Reverse. This say Better Home and Garden, but it's, oh, that's Better Home and Garden. Here it is. They blanket sets. And these are $12 for these. They go like this. They those, and they those. Okay, these are $5 for the coffee throwers. We got all of those different ones. SpongeBob, all of them. You got the razor. Here it is right here. I don't know how much the razor is. Everything you see wrapped in plastic, that's part of the event on Friday. So if you can't see through it, guys, I am so sorry, but I just want to give you all a visual of some of the things they bringing out. Like, oh, here it is, the Tefal pan, the top and the bottom for $9.97. Here's the mainstays, the towels, and they're $1.47, and some of them is $1.97 a pack of them. That's gonna be event 3. So I just want you to get a better look. I know my mother was here and kind of like impeding on it, but look at all this guy. And they are $5 a piece, but look at all the gift sets they got out. Oh my God, look at all these gift sets. Tons of gift sets. Let's see. $5 for these. Okay, these $5 the bath sets. Yeah. Oh, look, an eyeshadow palette. That's an eyeshadow palette and it's $5. That's cute. Oh, that's how I look in the inside. It's cute. Look at that.
One of them look like a ice cream.
Yeah, that's the one I picked up.
A chocolate.
Oh, and this one look like a chocolate bar. That's cute. Then the bath balls. Okay, guys, so I hope that was enough for you all to see that the event is going to be fantastic. Here's a, oh, this is on clearance though, huh? $15.
Is it a coffee pot?
That's a coffee pot, single serve. Yep. Oh, these used to be real cheap, but so they ain't lowered this price yet. So be looking for these to be much cheaper than what they are. But I'm gonna let you go, guys, now because it's time for me and Mother to get out of here and go start our Thanksgiving dinners up. Hope you all have a nice holiday. See you in the next